Hey everyone, this is Mr. Rodriguez. I'm making this video because a couple people have told me that some students may not know how to join Google Classroom. So this is just a quick tutorial on what you should see or what you're going to see when you log in to Google Classroom and where to put the class code and all of that good stuff. Okay. So to start with, you're going to open up your browser window. You can see I'm using Safari, but you can use it whatever you want. You're going to type classroom.google.com, and I'm not going to hit enter on this window right now because it's going to take you to My Fifth Grade, which is the teacher view, which is nuts. But if you don't already have any Google Classrooms, when you click on it, this is the view that you're going to see. Okay, and the important thing to remember is that when you go to join a Google Classroom that is in AAPS's domain, you have to be logged in to your AAPS email account. Okay, so if you are not sure how to do that, the phone number to call on the help desk is 734-997-1222. Again, that's 734-997-1222, and they'll be able to walk you through, what your email is for your AAPS email for Google, and what your password is, and then when you log in there, then you can sort of continue. Because if you're logged into your personal Google account or any other Google account that's not affiliated with AAPS, nothing else I tell you here is going to work. Okay, so you can, if you're not, you can either click up here and right over here in this corner to switch an account, or you can click right here where it says try another account. So once you are logged in to your AAPS Google account, you're going to come up to this plus where it says create or join your first class, and you're going to join a class. Okay, and in order to get into my class, you are going to enter this code right there, QILDRSJ. Okay, you're going to enter it over here. And I can't enter it because in order to show you a non-teacher view, I'm logged into my personal Google here, so it won't work. But once you are logged into your AAPS Google and you type in this class code and click join, you should be all set. If you have any problems with that, please either call that number that I mentioned before, which again is 734-997-1222, or feel free to email me. My email is Rodriguez, RODRIGUEZE, at aaps.k12.mi.us. Alright guys, hope this was helpful. Miss you. Hopefully we can get you all logged in and on there, and you guys can come to some office hours or send me some questions so we can break this monotony we're all in and have some interaction. Alright, hope you're all well. We miss you. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye-bye.